Okay, good morning, and today I'll be riding to Shettihalli church, which is near Hassan, and this is the first time I am taking my bike on a really long ride with the new handles. The total distance of going and coming back will be close to 450 kilometers. Yeah, I'll be joined with a couple of my friends. So there'll be an R3 and another R15 joining me for the ride.
So it's around 615 kilometers. The initial plan was to go to Shettihalli church, and then once we reached there, we planned to go to Bisle Ghat. And once we were in Bisle Ghat, I told there's a temple nearby called Kukke Subramanya. We went there, and then back home. Started riding at approximately 6:40 in the morning, and now the time is 11:06. So we've been riding for 16 hours.